Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. So how are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a natural remedy that would actually help you remove cloudy vision and blurry vision. Okay, this is actually very natural and it is actually better you use this home remedy to treat your problems literally, and it's gonna be superb. Let's dive into the video. Now before you go, do not forget to turn on that post notification and click all, subscribe and thumbs up. Now let me take you right into this video. So if you have a cloudy or blurry vision, and if you want to remove those cataract, okay, you're going to be needing this drink. Now the combination of this drink is basically what is going to help you to remove blurry vision and cloudy vision. So we're going to be needing apple. So whichever apple you have, it's ideal. If you have the green apple, fine. If you have the red apple, it is totally fine. Okay, so we're going to be removing the seeds, and I would love to wash this. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting just a little water for this. Okay, since I have a little blender, I'm gonna be blending my ingredients one after the other. Okay, so if you want, you can actually blend your ingredients all together. It doesn't make any difference if you blend it together or you blend it at once. Okay, there's no difference. Okay, so and this is my apple juice. And we're going to be needing this, and this is beetroot. Now beetroot is a healthy ingredient that helps so much for the sight. It helps to clear up the sight. It basically helps to clear up sickness in the body. It prevents you from getting healed, and it also prevents you from blurry or cloudy vision. Okay, so I'm going to be washing my very big knife, and then we'll slice it. And then put water. And then blend it. Okay, so after blending this, going to sieve out the chaff basically. So my beetroot juice is ready. Then we're going to be making use of carrot. Now when it comes to the vision, when it comes to the sight, carrot is very, very helpful, and it helps so much to, you know, get rid of those cloudy or poor vision. So we're gonna wash it, and then we're going to cut. Okay, so we're gonna be doing the same thing. And this is my carrots juice. It looks very healthy and really nice. So the last ingredient is going to be cucumber. Now cucumber contains a whole lot of nutrients, and it helps so much to cleanse the system. Okay, it aids for weight loss, and it will also help for a cloudy and a blurry vision. Combining it with beetroot, apple, carrot, this is going to be amazing. Okay, so we're also going to be blending it. Okay, so I forgot to put in a little water. I'm going to be putting in just a little water. Alright guys, so we're done blending. So we're going to be sieving it out. And now we're going to be grabbing our bowl, and this is our beautiful eyesight fruits. You see how beautiful they look? Yeah, so we're going to be turning them in. So I would love to just stir it up a little. And this is how my drink is. It looks really nice, and I know it's gonna taste really nice. So if you have a cloudy or a blurry vision, drink this very early in the morning, and it's going to help your cloudy vision really clear and your blurry vision really bright. Okay, so let me drink. So that's it, guys. This actually tastes really nice. The color is amazing and I love it so much. Okay, so go try this if you have a cloudy vision or blurry vision, or you're actually not seeing very far. Go give this a try and you're going to be testifying of it. Okay, now you can actually make it and store it in your refrigerator and it's gonna be wonderful. All right, guys, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, do not forget to give me a like here, subscribe here, turn on that post notification here, and share somewhere here. Okay guys, I'll see you again. Bye.